Welcome to the Cottat Workshop. Today we've got a very wriggly cat, and I want to talk about a couple of projects that we've got coming up and also recognise that people are really enjoying the restoration videos. So I'm going to give you a quick preview of some of the projects that are coming up. We were at Stricken Antiques yesterday, picked up a couple of pieces that need restoration. But in the meantime, I've been asked to make some Christmas gifts, which I'm going to be making candle holders out of driftwood that we collected on the beach, and it's been drying out, so I think it's now ready. So project to make some candle holders and a preview of some upcoming restorations. One in particular I think you'd be quite interested in. So as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. And of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And for those of you who've recently subscribed, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy. Thank you. So yesterday we picked up a couple of pieces from Stricken Antiques that need a bit of restoration. This is a coffee table embossed with leather. You can see there's a few scratches on it, and it just needs what we call a tidy up, so that will be quite minimal. Then there's this rather nice little table with some interesting marquetry there, but you can see that the top is a bit scratched, and I think over here you can see it has been repaired before, so that says that it's a veneer rather than solid wood, so we'll have to be quite gentle with that. But here's the one that I think a lot of people are going to be interested in. This is a Singer sewing machine, and the old pedal style. So we're going to find out the serial number and the age of it, and that's going to be a future project. You can see there's quite a bit of damage on the top to the finish. Also a veneer, but quite thick, so hopeful that we can do something quite special with that. But for today, we're going to be working with natural driftwood, and we're going to be making some gifts for Christmas. So some would say it should really be the dog carrying the stick, but yeah, now we just have to get back to the workshop and get cracking. All right, so what we're going to do with these, eh? Yeah, we've got restorations to do, we've got some gifts to make. Yeah, what do you think? What about this? Yeah, you think we could fix that? Yeah, okay. So the question is which saw to use, or method to be able to flatten these logs. We could use a table saw, which comes up to this height and then turn it over. We could use a bandsaw and push it through this way, or we could use a mitre saw. The issue there is, what depth can you come in here? All of these would have to be safely supported. We could also bring out the planer thicknesser and plane off an edge. So all of these techniques mean sawing off an edge in order to make the candle holder, but keeping what we might call the live edge on the sides. They all have upsides and downsides, and different levels of risk, as in danger, hazard to fingers or to the end product. Could do a combination of these, or of course we could use hand tools and actually use a handsaw and hand planes, traditional way. So I'm going to have a think and decide if we're going to try a couple of these, and let's see how we get on. So now we've got a base that's going to help us with the other processes. Okay, we've now managed to cut these up. Various techniques, various amounts of success. Okay, we've planed them nice and flat. So we've decided to go with this open style rather than showing the wood. It doesn't look quite as attractive. So time to sand these and then get the fittings in.